Not gonna use none of that. But we just got here. We just pulled off on the first scenic loop off to the left. We're gonna see if there's some cool places to take some photos. So we're gonna see what the day has to hold for us. Beautiful morning. Luckily, there's not too many people out here today. It's pretty empty. Normally, these parking lots are completely full. We got here right around 7, and we are one of 3 cars in this parking lot. It's the start of a beautiful day.
Beautiful day, beautiful hike. Decided to hit this one up today.
Yeah, so this is one of the more scenic trails here at Valley of Fire. Really popular. So we wanted to make sure we hit this one early before this parking lot got full. As you can see behind me, parking lot's pretty empty. And by the time we get out, we expect it to be completely full. Yeah, so it's a pretty popular movie place. As you can tell, good number of trails, good number of amenities. But you ready to hit it?
Yeah.
Let's go. This man Elvis literally looked up secret coordinates before he came up here because he wanted to hit this spot so bad. And if that doesn't tell you that every time you come out here you're gonna find something new, this man has been to every state park here in Nevada, all right? And he's still finding new stuff every day. You know, every time we go, I mean, he's always still amazed by the beauty of this place, you know? I realize there's stairs the whole fucking way. Feels like a movie set. Apparently, the filmmakers built this Mexican hacienda on the site as a set for the movie The Professionals in 1965. Looks like all that's left of that house is just that wall. Beautiful location though, man. You can definitely see why they decided to film on here.
How crazy is this?
So we're starting to enter this tiny little slot canyon. It's like really thin. It's just a crazy place to be, you know? So it's absolutely insane out here. It's probably about 50 degrees, right around 7:30 in the morning. Me and Elvis were probably one of the first people inside of the park. We even saw some goats this morning as we were driving in. It's one perching up on a cliff. One of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life, all right? I'm just gonna say this, if you do come, make sure you come early before it starts getting packed, you know, make sure you get those good photos, that good drone footage. Drones are actually not allowed here at the state park. You know, make sure you bring your cameras and stuff, something to take photos with, because it's absolutely beautiful out here. All right, so right now we're on the White Dome Trail. It's probably one of the more popular trails. A bunch of movies have been filmed here. Elvis is getting some B-roll right now. Beautiful canyons, all right? Absolutely insane. You can tell behind me the way the sun hits some of these rocks. Mwah. This place is insane. All right.
What time did you get up this morning?
I got up at 5 a.m. and it was painful as shit. Keep your photographer buddies around, all right? They give you plenty of snack opportunities. Shh. Don't tell anybody. We already flew the drone. So we found this really cool arch in the rocks. It's crazy what wind can do to some rocks over a couple hundred years, right? Just like completely hollowed this thing out, but it's the type of stuff you love to see, right? I think he's just losing it.
Check what you decide to.
We are now at the second trail. What's this one called?
Pastel Canyon.
Pastel Canyon. Hey, if you come into one of these spots, don't litter.
Please don't.
Like, come on. All right, so a lot of these trails are pretty easy. I haven't had a backpack with me at all today. I really don't think you need a backpack on any of these trails. These girls were asking us how we got to where we were, because apparently we got here super fast compared to them. Not really sure about that, but. A lot of the times you almost feel like you're on another planet, you know? Just like the desert, man. It's another place. See, me and Elvis are both coastal kids. I grew up in Virginia. Elvis grew up in Miami. So we're both really, really used to water. So coming out to a place like this that's just been like dry as long as anybody can remember is just like, it's almost like a shocking moment to kind of take it all in. But man, if this stuff isn't impressive, and I'll say this, Blue is absolutely loving it. Crazy to me that these canyons were created by just water rushing through these rocks for hundreds of years. So you just end up with these crazy textures. Hey, Blue, what's up? More canyons. I don't want to keep going though, see what's up there. Just decided to climb to the top of this rock just to see what the hell was up here. Not much. Not a whole lot to see up here. So we thought we were on a different trail, but we ended up right back at the movie site. With as big as you think this place is, we wouldn't run to the same place twice. Well, guess what? We're dumb. You want to head back?
Yeah, let's head back.
Not much to see.
Yeah, and we have to hike back to where the car is.
And then walk down a mile.
Yeah.
All right, so another really cool place about this park is for most of the major landmarks, they're always gonna have like a picnic area, some bathrooms, maybe some grills, and definitely some trash cans. We noticed a lot of trash in the park. If you do come to these places, please do not litter, all right?
Please.
They provide plenty of trash cans, plenty of places to dispose of it, or just throw it in the car till you get another location. But you can tell by the view behind us, these picnic tables are definitely a place that you wanna check out if you come to these parks.
Quick break, little snack.
So we are on the last trail of the day. We are trying to get to the Elephant Rock. That right behind me is Elephant Rock. It's one of the last things that you're gonna see on your way out of Valley of Fire. It's right on your left on your way out, and if you don't look for it, you're probably gonna miss it. But honestly, if you miss it, you're probably gonna regret it. So make sure you check it out.